Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to tour you to my Bloxburg room. I have renovated it a bit since the update came, and right now I am at my front door. So let's start. When I get in, I can see my mini workplace area, which is minimalist because I am minimalistic. I got my laptop and then my white flowers, which are my favorite flowers. And I know it's weird, but yeah, I do have my switch here, and then my hat stand, and then a lamp that really useless. I just use that for aesthetic purposes. And then I do have my mini terrarium, which is cute. My table, my chair area, and yeah, this is my TV, and then my huge window right there, so I can close it whenever I want or when I want some privacy. So let's proceed to my sleeping area. I do have my very own fireplace inside my room, but yeah, you can place anything up here, for example food. And then I do also have my window, and yeah, I do have the new curtains and some stuffs right here, like books and alarm that I've never used. And then this one are curtains. Yeah, I just changed the material. And then I also do have my own painting. I don't know why I chose this one, but it looks really slick. So yeah, I chose that. And I do have view of my neighbor. Let's just close this one, okay? And then let's go to my walk-in closet. So this is a preview. Wait, let's close this first since that's my bathroom. Alright, I do have my bag collections, my bouquet that I've got on Valentine's Day. Also, it was, bought by me. And this is my stool. Still deciding if I need to change it or no. And then I got my makeup, my brush, and everything that I need, like makeup remover. Also, I do have an ottoman here just in case I got tired of dreading up. And then I do have a window, side doors. I can see the pizza from here, which is really cool. I can see the river. And yeah, this is my closet, very sleek, just some boxes and then some pants. I don't really dress up a lot. And then some steady clothes, perfumes or whatever, and then picture right here of someone that I hate really much. You can see he is having fun with his pets. And let's go to the bathroom. I put curtains here so that I can have privacy that much. And then this is my minimalistic bathroom. It's minimalistic but aesthetic. I do have my toilet bowl here with books so that I can read books while minding my own life. And then my shower is different from my bath. And then this is where I spend most of my night, in this bathtub. And then there's a mini sink, towel, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to those who request Bloxburg video for me, although I am really boring when it comes to something like this. So I think that's it. This is a preview. If you like, you can copy it if you like. Yeah, if you want me to make or decorate your house, just comment down below and I'll make a schedule. I'll make my schedule free for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.
On me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'd be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. This cannot wait. I'm yours.
You know that I'll never doubt you, and you know that I think about you, and you know I can't live without you. I love the way that you smile, and maybe in just a while you can see me walk down the aisle. It's got the apples in my eye, and you're the stars in my berry. You're the smoke to my high.
This
You're the one I wanna marry.
I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your